Alright, just got this package in from Saddlemen for my new 2024 Road Glide. Went with the silver stitching. Oh yeah, that looks good. What do you guys think? Yeah, yep, that looks really good. I'm really impressed with that. Okay, got that. With the rider backrest to match, and got the passenger backrest as well. So I'm going to get this set up, get the tab on the back, get a tool for that so we can turn that around and put it on the bike. So we've got to take this little tab off that bolts it to the back of the bike. Got to take it off. It's a 5/32 Allen. So I'm going to go ahead and spin this around. It does come like this for shipping reasons anyway. Oh man, I'm excited. Saddlemen does such a great job on quality. That's something you just really never have to worry about. So I'm going to turn this puppy around when I know this is the next step here. And then get this spun around, get her tightened up, and we'll see how Jaws likes its new hat. Would it be a hat on the back? No, probably more like a coat. Oh hell, I don't know. Here it is. We'll see how Jaws likes its new saddle. I guess it's me that's gonna have to like the saddle because my rear end is gonna be in it. Alright, let's remove this old seat. I went ahead and put a thumb screw in here because I knew my seat was coming. I'm swapping it out here and there. Everything's ready to go. Here I've got all the wiring packed in here nice and neat. Pull my old one off and we'll go with the new. The true reveal here, we're going to put this on here. Like I said, remember to stick that in there really good. And then what we'll do is we'll put had a really cool idea, and I got one of the silver washers, so I thought we could try that. I think that might clash. I'm thinking what I'm going to go ahead and do is go with the original black rubber washer that they intended to go on this thing. But let's see how she rolls here. Nice and neat. So far it looks pretty decent, man. I like that high lumbar back support right there, and it looks like it's going to keep me about the same height. I did not get the extended reach. I am 6'1", but I thought better. I wanted to give my wife plenty of room back here because whatever you use up here, it just robs it from the passenger. So wanted her to have plenty of room back here, so we thought we would try this. It's supposed to be the same as the stock seat. So I wanted to try and see where we're at. Pretty nice, guys. I gotta tell you, man. I feel like I'm about in the same position as I was with the stock, maybe just a little higher. Oh, I'm liking this. I like that back support there. I like that. Okay, well, tell you what, let's get the backrest on. Let's put the backrest on my passenger backrest. Get everything settled and installed on the bike, and then I'll let you guys check it out, and then we got to go try it out. I'm going to use my 5/16 hex head to remove my old backrest pad. Get these black screws off, because I want to use the black ones on here. It did come with, you know what? Maybe we do use the chrome to flash with the silver stitching. I'll have to think about that. I need to try that and see what it looks like. Mine had an indentation here. This is one from Harley. It came with the, purchased it to go with the Harley detachable backrest. So what we'll do is we'll see what this looks like with the silver on the black. What do you think? I'm thinking we go with the black. I think I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna go with the black on this one, just like the other one. And so what I've got to do here is there's a pattern over here. I'm just gonna find a pattern for the existing mount here, these 3 bolts, and this is already prepped for several different holes that you can put it in. There's already inserts in there to accept the screws. So all I got to do is find the right ones for this this particular backrest pattern, and then we'll roll from there. They give you this to kind of judge it here. So what we're going to have to do is figure out which one of these patterns is the existing pattern. You know, about the only good way that I know to do that is just kind of put it on the old one here. See where the old one lined up. I think it's going to be, looks like B. That's what it's looking like. So anyway, yeah, let's try that. We're going to put B on. Let's see if I can find B here by feeling. Oh yeah, yep. Feel the indentions for it. So I think what I'll do is I will get my punch and punch through there on the pattern. Just want to make sure that's going to work okay. There's D. So I've got my punch tool, and I'm just going to lay this up here and make sure that I can feel the hole. Make sure that I'm kind of aligned with everything. I like that, really. I like it a lot. We're going to poke that hole, and that one too. Okay, well there it is, man. There it is. I think it looks pretty snazzy. We're going to try it out. I know it's going to take me a minute to get this broke in, but overall, I think it looks pretty good. I like the way it kind of offsets some of the hardware and everything on the bike, because everything is not completely black. I do have that the hardware, the emblem, of course. You know, there's just a little touch of chrome and silver I just thought that would be a nice touch. I don't know. What do you guys think? You think that that's a winner? It's kind of hard to pick a seat, man. It's kind of like picking a mattress. I don't know if you guys ever compared those two, but that's exactly what it is, because it is, you get what you get. There is no going back, you know, once you've got the seat. It's yours, but I don't know, guys. Let me know. I tell you what, it's raining right now, and I just got in from West Texas seeing my mother for Mother's Day, but as soon as I can get out and test this seat, I'd like to bring you guys along and just let you know what I think. So, until then, thanks for watching my video. Like and subscribe if you want to see more, because I think there's going to be more to come here. All right, guys, stay safe. Thanks for watching Dad's Garage.